In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right YouTube app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to get started, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your Android smartphone and then tap on it. Then tap on search here, or we have search option here. So search for YouTube just like this. And once you have typed in the name, go ahead and tap on search icon here. And you'll see we have YouTube here. So if you tap on YouTube, you can see it is from Google. And at the time of recording this, it has over 155 million reviews with a star rating of 4.1. And the app is over 18 MBs with over 10 billion downloads. To download it, go ahead and tap on download here. For my case, I already have this app, so I'll just go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and install the latest version of YouTube app on your Android smartphone and then install it. Now once this is done, you can now proceed and tap on open, or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see YouTube app here. Proceed and tap on it to start enjoying and watching YouTube videos. So that's how you can download and install YouTube videos on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.